Car came over the top off the service road, and it kind of valleys down and it comes up to a hill. One of the guys hollered car. We were starting to set out flares, and the person in the vehicle noticed the fire truck, hit the brakes, started sliding. Pretty much just kind of made a beeline for me. I was in kind of no man's land. There was no place really I could go, and that was it. You know, so like for 10 days, they had me in a drug-induced coma. I don't remember nothing. All I know is I woke up in the hospital and, you know, C-collar and all kinds of stuff all over me. And I didn't even, you know, I just finally had to ask once they pulled the tube out of me and it, you know, from where they intubated me, I just said, where in the hell am I?
For our officers and our chief officers, safety is a paramount focus. It's our responsibility to ensure that all of our personnel that show up to work that day go home safely. Roadways and freeways are so dangerous for emergency response because due to the higher level of traffic sometimes, higher speeds, and probably more importantly, the distracted drivers. So with the advent of cell phones, the engineering of our cars to keep out sound, in addition to the typical drunk drivers and those type of things, all those things contribute to a distracted driver that can unfortunately cause collisions and danger to our first responders. I believe that the risk on the roadways is higher than it's ever been, and we risk a lot to save savable lives. As chief officers, as company officers, that's a focus. Safety for the firefighters, the safety of our community. It's represented in every decision that we make.